Now that's it for classes. We learned about classes themselves, we learned about their properties, the access modifiers, private for internal access, protected for internal access also in inheriting classes, and public for access from everywhere. We also learned about methods which we can add, about static methods and properties, about abstract methods, and abstract classes, which is important when we talk about another important concept, the inheritance which we can use. Here, we're inheriting from department with the extends keyword. This allows us to share functionalities, properties, and methods from the department class with this inheriting class and add our own functionalities or override existing functionalities, either because we have to override, as in the case of describe, which is an abstract method, or because we want to override, like in the case of add employee here in the accounting department. That's not an abstract method in the base class, but of course we still can override it if we want to. We also learned about the singleton pattern and private constructors, which can also be useful sometimes. And therefore, overall, you now hopefully have a good idea of classes and what you can do with them in TypeScript. In general, of course, you need to know what classes and objects and also a bit what prototypes are about in vanilla JavaScript, because that's generally not something introduced by TypeScript, but of course something TypeScript is related to, because TypeScript builds up on these default JavaScript features and adds its own magic on top of these features.